Hello everyone, today we are in the historic center of Trivento, a hilltop town in Molise region at just 40 minutes from the Adriatic coast that offers all kinds of facilities. And today we are in the historic center and looking at this stone house of approximately 86 square meters arranged over 2 levels, plus a traditional stone cellar. And as we enter, we immediately find the living and kitchen area with also a beautiful fireplace. And on this floor, we find also a bathroom. And a spiral staircase takes us to the first floor. Where we find the sleeping area and one more bathroom. And here we find this very large master bedroom. As you can see, the windows are brand new and double glazed. And this room also avails of an independent entrance that I'm going to show you later. And here is the full bathroom with shower facilities. And this is the second entrance on the first floor that leads you to the side of the property where we find also the entrance to the stone cellar. As you can see, the stone cellar is equipped also with a water tank, very useful as a backup in case of water shortage. So this property has all utilities connected, electricity, water, and also gas. So it avails also of a central heating system. And as you can see, the property is in excellent conditions, move-in ready. And if you're interested for more information, you can click the link in the description box, or you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.